Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with the 24 weeks of Christmas cards. It's number 22 and here it is. How cute is that? But first I wanted to show you all the stuff I got at a craft fair I went to last week. And also these new chamois. I went to a crop yesterday and the lady had those. And my other ones come from Zeeman as well. So if you're in the Netherlands, look for these. I cut them into 4, but you can actually cut them even into 8, I think. And they're a bit foamy. They don't have any dust or lint or fibers, so I'm excited about that. I bought this one yesterday at the shop where I did the crop. And it's from Crafter's Companion. I was to show you that I've seen that bunny mom and daughter before, and I think it's the same artist that licenses his or her stuff. It's not completely the same, but very similar. Doesn't matter because it's mirrored. I can maybe use it in a project. And I got this at the craft fair as well, and I cut myself. Look, I didn't put my finger under the blade, of course, but it kind of closed shut while I was putting it away, and it's so sharp. So if you have one, be careful. If you want to get one, be careful. I learned the hard way. So this is I didn't buy much at the craft fair, but this is Art Hobby. It's a new brand to me, at least. And yeah, they're not cheap, but big sizes. So I'm happy with that. And look how cute this is with the donkeys. Dudley Does Christmas, that's called. I was trying to show you. It comes with 2 acetates. One is printed and one or 2 actually stuck on the stamp. The cats is called Santa Paws, the one I'm going to use in the video today. And then I also got penguins. So cute. The Crafter's Companion, by the way, is a new series. It just came out. It's called Fairy Garden, and there's a few things to make your fairy garden, like a mushroom toadstool house and a fairy and a toadstool door and stuff like that. I only like the ones with the foxes, so I got that. And I'm trying to see if I can print or stamp both of the cats. It didn't fit. I wanted my scanner cut to cut it out later, so I thought I need a bit more white. But then I cut it out by hand. After I colored it, I didn't want to risk it. And I'm using extreme black ink from MFT because that's waterproof and alcohol marker proof. And I have to stamp it a few times because it's a new stamp, it's watercolor paper. So, you know, that takes. And it's also a very lengthy video. I did speed it up where I could quite a lot. It was almost an hour. So I'll leave you to enjoy the coloring. I'm using Distress re-inkers, the normal inkers. See how good that will go. I dropped it on the stamp and it even took out just from a little bit of contact. I'm really excited about those chamois. And only 99 cents for, well, practically 8. That's really good. I would cut it smaller just because otherwise it gets grubby. But I've pulled out all the distress inks that I think are cat-like, so browns, grays, blacks, and then also Christmas colors like red, blue, purple, green. And I just colored with a bit of water and yeah, a few mishaps, but you will see. So I'll just turn on the music and afterwards I will come back. Enjoy. After the coloring, I didn't want to chance it with the scan and cut being difficult today. For the background, I thought I would do it in a little circle, but yeah, it's almost as big as my card base, so no go. But I want to emboss the Simon Says Stamp Christmas sweater background stamp, and then take off a bit of the color that's still left. I can see it's black and red. I couldn't see that, but there's also Shabby picks it up. So I'm just inking it a little bit, and then with the paper towel I'm going to distress the edges and also a little bit in the middle. I don't think you can see that actually, and I try to put it on straight, but it isn't. It doesn't matter. My sweaters are never straight anyway. And then wow, opaque bright white, and it wasn't quite enough to do the whole background. And it's white on white, but it's two different colors of white. You can see it already a little bit. So when the light catches it, you can see the background. I think that's very sophisticated and understated. So I'm heat setting it with my heat tool, of course, and I try to zoom in so you can see the texture and a little bit of distressed bits. I thought that was nicer than to go from edge to edge. I don't know why, but there you go. And then all that's left to do is to mount my grouping Santa with his cats. And I thought maybe I can do the Unico Simply Set Blocks Christmas. That's a black bar with white letters, but I thought I'll just do it on the inside and pretend my background is not crooked. It's okay, it doesn't matter. I think if you would do it on a colored card base, then it would drive me crazy, but now it's just fine. So thank you for watching. I will see you again soon, and bye.